Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to build a Lego butterfly knife. As you saw from my previous video, Lego butterfly knife tricks. Let's get this started. What you're gonna need for this project are this long 11 hole piece, or 12 holes, I think it's 12 holes, yeah. Okay, 2 of these. Okay, 2 of the 12 holes. 1 of these smaller ones, as you can see, they're longer. Okay, there we go. And you need 2 of these 3-hole pieces. And by the way, these are from Lego Technique pieces. You need 1 black 4-piece. 2 of these gray pieces. 6 gray piece. A thin 6 gray piece. 2. 12 gray piece. 1. And 8 of these thick 6 pieces. And you're gonna need some screws. Here you have this. You can get this from the Lego Star Wars sets. And you need these pieces from the Bionicle sets. As you can see, I've already put one together. Now let's start putting them in. What you're gonna do is see this plus sign, connect it. Now you're gonna take this 3-piece and take there. For these 2 pieces, they are gonna be the handles. Take the longer side of the screw, of this screw. You can see, poke it through. Right at the end. Do the same for the other one. Now connect the screw to the ends of the ends of the 3-hole piece. Now you've got your handles. And then you're gonna take the smaller piece, you're gonna leave. This is where you have to make the blade stable. You have to leave 1 hole out and just poke it through. Now you're gonna put the blade in the middle hole. There we go. Now there's 3 holes sticking out. Of course, what you do is take this and plug it in. Now, this is just half. As you can see, the Lego butterfly knife is too unstable to even flip. So what we're gonna do about that, although it can flip, it's not that very fast. So what we're gonna do about that, the handles here, there is where these come in. Place them on the handles. Like this. Keep on placing until the whole thing is covered. This one, what I'm calling this is plating. Plating it. inflate it until it looks like this. There we go. And now plate the other side, do the same thing for the other handle. By the way, if you find it tricky, just use your teeth. Always works for me. See, as you can see, it's not cooperating. I'm gonna use my teeth. Now it's plated. Although there's hole sticking out, you can still force it in. They still won't get in, use the hollow method. See? They got in. Now, keep plating until all the handles are covered. By the way, this might look like TF2 Spice butterfly knife, as I wanted that to look as accurate as possible. Now it is plated. Everything is plated. So what you do, now you can actually start flipping. I am not saying that the thing is completed, just try to start flipping. I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, that was pretty good. Still flips well. As you can see how I flipped it. Never mind. I'll show you once I complete the blade. What we're gonna do for the blade is actually take this long gray piece, plug it in all the way. By the way, if it's still hard to do it, just bite it. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is actually take one of these and attach it like this. Okay? Then leave one piece like that and leave another piece blank. We have no materials anymore, so I'm assuming we're coming to an end. You plate one time here, and what you're gonna do is, you see these two spaces, you're gonna plug them into here. And now your butterfly knife has been completed. Sorry. But it actually works great. You can see. How did I do that? You might ask. Well, first you're gonna flip it. Excuse me. Okay, first you're gonna flip it down, as in hold the knife from the back once it's in pocket edition. Minecraft pocket edition. Now you're gonna flip it out See the blade? Then you're gonna have to turn it and flip it back up. How are you gonna stab people with this? You actually can, but it still works as a good butterfly knife. It's actually very good. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like this, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.